So again, cadence, cadence, cadence. As an actor, cadence is going to help you through so much, because especially if you're on stage for a long time. If you're on stage for a long time and you have a lot of lines, you have a big monologue. You know, I've been a part of some shows where I've had monologues that lasted a whole page. I've been on stage with some actors who've had monologues that lasted 3 or 4 pages. August Wilson shows where, I mean, these monologues are super long. So in order to keep the audience from disengaging and, you know, getting bored and the sound the same, as an actor, you have to be mindful of your cadence. Where's my highs? Where's my lows? Where do I speed up? Where do I slow down? Where am I inside of my monologue? Am I paying the most attention to what I'm saying? You know, a lot of times when we naturally speak, sometimes we think about what we're going to say before we do. But if it's something that happens in a moment, sometimes it comes out. As an actor, you already know what your lines are. But if the story calls for it, or the scene calls for you to come off as if this is something that is blurted out, you have to deliver it that way, or it's going to fall flat. It's going to seem telegraphed. It's going to seem fake. It's going to seem phony. I'll give you another example, and then we'll move on to the exercise. So if I say, hey, I'm doing this show, I just found out my wife is pregnant, but I know it's not mine because me and my wife haven't been intimate. So I know it's not mine. My wife says something about, you know, man, I can't wait for us to go to the hospital and check out the sonogram. And my line calls for me to say, how dare you? If I think about it, I'll think about saying it, how dare you? But if it blurts out and I have to use the right cadence, how dare you? That's more impulsive. That's coming from a place where it's coming out real quick and fast and hard. I'm punching that line because I want the audience to know that I know what she's saying right now, that she's trying to act like what's really going on is not really what's going on. So I can't deliver the line as I would, you know, in a normal situation, because that situation isn't normal, you know. Again, your script is going to be your roadmap. Your script is going to dictate how your character should act, react, also how your character should speak. As I said before, your lines are that's just what they are, they're lines. You as the actor have to bring them to life. You can have the greatest script in the world, but as an actor, if you're miscast in a role that you're not ready for, it's going to look as if it's a terrible show, because the actor, the one that has to do the work, to do the job, isn't up to par.